What is up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are having a wonderful day. First and foremost, excuse my voice. I went out last night. I ain't been out in a year, and I was drinking, and I hadn't drank like that in a minute. So my voice has a little type of some shit going on. I don't know what it is, but we are not here for that. We are here because I purchased something new and I wanted to try it out. First impression, I wanted to try it out for you guys so you can see what it is. This is a brand new product. I actually how did I see it? I think I saw it on Instagram and I just had to try it. This is from a company that I've been wanting to try their lipsticks and I've never tried it. So I actually purchased the lipstick as well. And we're going to talk more about it, okay? So before we do that, do not forget to subscribe. Do not forget to click the little bell so you can be updated on when I post new videos. And do not forget to follow me on social media. Alright, y'all. So the company I am referring to, it is Mented Cosmetics. If you do not know what Mented Cosmetics is, it is a cosmetic company founded by two sisters, two black women. This is a black owned company, and they first started with lipsticks, new lipsticks that are compatible with a black woman's skin, because you know it's hard as hell to get a new lipstick to look nude on us. So they came up with the series of lipsticks that cater to black women, to women of color, and they have gotten really popular. Now, I never purchased Mented. I wanted to, but I just never gotten around to it. But until I saw that they have foundation. They just dropped their foundation line called Skin. And let me tell you something. When I saw the ad on Instagram. I saw the ad on Instagram, and then I went on to YouTube to see who was, if anybody reviewed it. And I saw one or two people review it, but I didn't see a lot of reviews. I didn't see any reviews for people with my complexion either. So I was like, okay, let me go ahead and buy it. So I bought the foundation. This is the foundation, and it is a stick foundation. It is 0.529 ounces. And it is hypoallergenic, vegan, and dermatologist tested. So it won't break me out like other foundations that we've tried on here. Alright, so this is the foundation. Really cute packaging. I think it's really cute. And I got the color M20. And this is how much foundation you get. You get a lot. You get a lot compared to the Maybelline stick. You get a lot more with this than that. Alright, so a little bit more about the foundation. Is their ultra hydrating formula is lightweight, it's buildable, it's giving you the coverage you need with the neutral finish that you love. So it retails at $30, which is kind of pricey for a stick foundation, but you know, support black businesses. That's all I gotta say. But the one thing that I love about, okay, there's multiple things I love about this company. There are 16 shades, and it ranges from light, tan, medium, and dark, right? So once you go on the website, you will see that there are several models that are modeling the exact shade, you know, the M20, the T15, whatever the case. There are models modeling this shade. If you're unfamiliar about what shade you might be, because I was, you know, I have a hard time picking out my shade, you can purchase the sample pack. And actually, I did not purchase the sample pack. I actually purchased the foundation and I got the sample pack. And the sample pack contains all 16 shades, so you can actually try out the shades to see which one is the best shade for you. Other than that, what I also did is you have the option to contact them so they can help you find your right shade. Now, like I said, I already ordered my shade, but I was kind of nervous that I got the wrong shade. So I emailed them and let them know that I made a purchase, but I'm not sure if it's my right shade. They said, send them a picture of myself without makeup and they can help me pick out my right shade. And they came back and they told me that the shade that I purchased is the correct shade for me. So that is the shade M20. This is medium 20, okay? And we are going to see, we're going to put this to the test to see if this is what they claim to see, ultra hydrating, buildable. We're going to see what this is. Like, I've never used a stick foundation in my life. So this is my first time, okay? We're going to take a look at it. And also, I am going to try some, I'm going to see if I can find what's it called? Concealer shit. I'm gonna see if I can find a concealer shade within these and a contour shade, okay? My eyebrows are already done. Definitely putting it on, it does not feel harsh. It goes on really smooth. And it matches my skin to a T. Shit. It matches my skin to a T. Like, you can't even tell I put anything on. Hold on. That is a good thing, but it's also too much, probably too much of a match. I'm putting on too much. It is buildable, so we're gonna see, but okay, Mented. Let's put some more over here. The test is if it can cover these dark spots that I have under my eyes. It looks really like, first of all, it's not matte. It's really, it looks dewy to me, which is really nice, especially that spring has sprung. But it looks too much of a match. And I thought I would never ever in my life say that, but I can't really tell that I have anything on. Let me put some more. I don't want to waste it. This shit is $30. Alright, and the M20 is for a medium brown with neutral undertones. So this is really good for us neutral girls who don't have the golden. Okay, I don't really have the appropriate brush to put this on. So we're just going to make it work. Alright, y'all, so I'm going to go ahead and put on my full face and I will come right back. And what I did use, I used the M20 for the foundation. It matches perfectly to the point where I can't really tell that I have anything on. So I went ahead and applied, what was it? I applied M30 as well, just a little bit to warm up my face a bit. And then for my contour, I did D20 from the sample pack, and I did T10 for my concealer. As far as the concealer, I didn't really care for it as a concealer, maybe because it's the sample and I can't really get the full gist of it. But I might need to go down a peg when it comes to the concealer because I think the concealer is a little too light. Alright, so you can see I do not have on any type of lipstick, but I am going to use this one. It looks like a toy, but it is Mented, and it is the color Brown Bear. And I wanted to try this because I love a nice brown lipstick. So let's see how this looks. And I'm not going to use any type of line or anything. Alright guys, so this is the final look. And what do I think about Mented's new foundation? Okay. And I've never in my life had a foundation that was just my exact shade, but that was my exact shade to the point where I felt like it was too neutral. Like, it looked like I had nothing on at all. And I don't know if it's because it's a stick. Like I said, I've never used a stick foundation before. Maybe if it was a liquid foundation, I could, like, it would be totally, you know, better for me. But because it's a stick, I think it I don't know, I just couldn't, I don't know, I felt like it was just too spot on, which was crazy to me. As far as this foundation, it is really creamy, so I like the fact that it's creamy. The reason why I have not used stick foundations before, because I always feel like it's gonna feel rough on my skin, and this one is very, very creamy, and I love that about it because it glides on really easy. It doesn't have a scent that I can smell, because some foundations I can't really take the scent. As far as the application, it blends so seamless. It is crazy to me. It blends so seamless. It's not a full coverage foundation. That's why it couldn't really cover up my it really didn't cover up my dark spots under my eyes. But all in all, I think it is a really, really nice foundation, and this is for women of color. So I am really excited about that. But the look really came out really cute to me. I think it is a really nice everyday foundation. It's not like if I'm going out to a party or something like that, I probably won't wear this, because I prefer to wear something a little more with coverage. But this is really nice, just a regular, like a just a nice foundation, especially for the summertime. You want something a little more light, so you don't really sweat and shit be running on your face because you have this pound of foundation on. It is really lightweight, so it's really nice. The lipstick, I am in love with this lipstick, y'all. This is a nice lipstick. I have been looking for something really nudie type, brownish, because the new lipsticks I don't really wear a lot, because to me, because I have fuller lips, they look crazy on me. So I don't really wear new lipsticks like that. But the fact that this is like it looks like a brownie hint of pink type of nude, I think that it is really nice. I like this a lot, and I keep looking in the mirror because I am digging this. I'm digging this. I'm digging this whole entire look. Check out Mented. I will leave the link below. I am not sponsored by them whatsoever. The lipstick, I will leave a link to this lipstick as well. It is so cute, and I have to buy more. I really have to buy more, because I've seen a lot of different shades on there that I think will look so nice. So I want to try those out. But other than that, I give this an A+. I really like this foundation a lot. I can't really stop saying that. And also check out my website, justbeher.com, for t-shirts and mugs and all that stuff. I'm going to leave a link to both websites below. And let me know if you have ever tried, well, let me know if you are going to try this foundation. This is new. So let me know if you're going to try this foundation. Let's talk below about it. We got to support y'all. Let me know what you think about it, and I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.